Russia has promised massive reprisal against Western assets in reaction to Western partners' freeze of Russian cash. The stakes are high, with Western assets in Russia worth some $194 billion, including $32 billion controlled by U.S. firms and $90 billion by European entities. On December 16, 2024, the European Union implemented its 15th sanctions package against Russia, escalating the ongoing economic confrontation. The Kremlin has imposed a number of restrictions impacting Western corporations, including an obligatory 50% discount on assets from hostile countries transferred to Russian buyers, a 15% departure tax on exiting enterprises, and special C accounts that limit earnings repatriation. Russia has also taken tangible steps against Western corporations, seizing over 700 million euros from 3 Western banks, expropriating assets from companies such as Carlsberg and Danone, and placing Italian firm Ariston and German company BSH Hochschild under Gazprom's temporary external administration. At a minimum, Russia has around $288 billion in Western assets on its territory, albeit this figure should be regarded with caution because $98.3 billion of the $223 billion allocated to European countries originates from Cyprus, a well-known tax haven for wealthy Russians. Germany, Russia's former key trading partner, has only approximately $17.3 billion in stranded assets. Western firms continue to have significant exposure in Russia, with EU and US companies holding around $194 billion in assets there. Of this amount, $32 billion belongs to American corporations, while $90 billion belongs to European businesses. In response to Western sanctions and the G7's decision to use blocked Russian assets to aid Ukraine, Moscow has taken punitive steps. In April 2023, Putin issued a decree empowering his government to temporarily seize foreign corporations' assets in Russia. The Kremlin has also put stringent requirements on Western corporations seeking to depart the market, such as an obligatory 50% discount on asset sales and a 15% exit tax. Many Western enterprises who had planned to leave Russia after the 2022 invasion have been unable to do so due to regulatory impediments and probable losses. The corporate exodus has already cost Western corporations more than $107 billion in write-downs and revenue losses. Furthermore, Western corporations that continue to operate in Russia are unable to repatriate their revenues, which must be stored in special C accounts within Russia. Most recently, Moscow has promised additional reprisal if the West succeeds with its intentions to confiscate Russian assets. The Russian government has warned of legal ramifications and labeled Western actions as criminal expropriation. Russian Foreign Ministry spokesman Maria Zakharova has stated that Russia has a large arsenal of political and economic responses at its disposal, but no particular retaliatory moves have been announced. The true value of Western assets in Russia is likely to be higher than the $288 billion officially stated, since multiple criteria point to concealed or underreported ownership.